Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 computers using 3 simple methods without using BitLocker, without spending a penny. Before starting the video, I have a quick question for you guys. Among these 3 options, which one would you choose to password protect your folders in your computer? Let me know your choice in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. So with that said, let's get started. Our first method is using a folder lock software to password protect a folder in Windows 11. In this video, I am going to use the software called EaseUS Lock My File. This is one of my favorite folder lock software for Windows 11. Just click on free download and install the software into your computer. Don't worry, this software is completely free. After installing this folder lock software, you have to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, this window will open up by itself. It's asking you to purchase the software, and I will tell you the difference between paid version and free version of the software. Just for now, cancel it. You can purchase the software if you want. So I'm going to cancel it. Next, you will see this window. Now you have to set up a password. If you are using free version of the software, then you have to use only one password, that is EaseUS. You cannot use any other password except this one. If you purchase the software, you can use any password that you want. So in my case, I am going to go with the free version and I am going to use the default password, which is EaseUS. So just type it. After selecting your password, make sure to check mark this option. And also at the very bottom, there is an option to type your email address. If you type your email address, what the software will do is, the software will send you a copy of your password into your email, which is very useful. In case you forget your password, you can find it on your email address. After that, click on OK. Click on OK once again. After that, this software will open up. As you can see on the left side, there are a lot of options that you can explore by yourselves. In order to lock a folder using this software, click on locking file option. With this option, you can either lock a single file, a single folder, or an entire drive. So in my case, I am going to lock a folder. To do that, just click on lock folder option and select the folder that you want to lock. So in my case, I am going to lock a folder from my desktop. You can select a folder from wherever you want. So let's say I want to lock this folder. Just select it and click on OK. Now you can see the folder is locked. And when I try to open this folder, it's not opening. As you can see, it's giving me this error message. In order to unlock this folder, just select it and click on unlock. Now when I try to open it, it should open without any problem, as you can see. Now let me show you the second method. Our second method is using Microsoft OneDrive to lock a folder in Windows 11. First of all, click on your computer's notification bar, then click on OneDrive icon, which will open up this menu. After that, click on this setting icon and select Unlock Personal Vault. Next, log into OneDrive and verify your account. After logging into OneDrive, you will get to this folder, and from this folder, open up Personal Vault and copy and paste the folder that you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock a folder. Let's say I want to lock this folder. So just drag and drop it to your Personal Vault. Once done, you can delete this folder from its original location. Alright, after that, this folder is currently not locked. So when you go to your OneDrive and click on Personal Vault, it will open without asking for a password. In order to lock this folder, just click on your computer's notification bar once again, select OneDrive, click on Settings, and select Lock Personal Vault, and click on Lock. And now when you try to open that folder, it will ask for the verification once again. So yeah, that's how this method works. Now let me show you the third method. Our third and last method is using 7-zip to password protect a folder in your Windows 11 computer. So first of all, go ahead, download and install this software called 7-zip. Just click on download and install it into your computer. After installing 7-zip app, now find a folder that you want to lock. So let's say I want to lock this folder from my desktop. Just right click on it, click on show more options, hover your mouse to 7-zip, and then it will give you several options. Just click on the first one, which is add to archive. Leave all the options as it is, and under the encryption type your password. After typing your password, make sure to checkmark this option. After that, click on OK and wait for this process to complete. Once the process is completed, you will see a folder like this. Now you can delete the original folder from your computer. And now when you try to open this folder, it will ask for a password. As you can see, if password is typed correctly, it should open like this. If you want to unlock or remove password from this folder, just double click on it, type your password, click on OK and select your folder. Next, click on extract to and select a place where you want to save this folder. So in my case, I am going to save this folder back to my desktop. Just select your location and click on OK. After that, you will see your unlock folder just like this. That's how easy it is. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can lock a folder in Windows 11 using these three options. Please let me know which one of these options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if this video was helpful to you by any means, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace.